Welcome back, children of grade 5, for our day 6 session of reading and writing class. Children, let's see today's quote about value of reading. That is, I believe that reading widely is the best preparation for writing. So, children, reading is the best preparation for writing. So, start reading and prepare yourself for writing. Children, so read more to enrich your knowledge and exhibit in your writings. So, let's read our textbook today. Chapter 1, the title of the chapter, Why Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves. Children, are you ready? Shall we start reading? Yes, let's start reading. Children, let's start reading the next continuation of the same story, our first chapter, Why Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves. So, shall we start reading, children? Yes. Keep your fingers, follow next to me. Now we are going to read letter by letter. Repeat next to me, children, and follow me. Yes. Look at here, children. Here, the little baby bird. Little baby bird is talking to the juniper tree. First, it is talking to the juniper tree. See here, T-H-E, the L-I-T-T-L-E. Little, L-I-T-T-L-E, it is little. Little bird, B-I-R-D, bird. W-A-S, was. And next word, relieved. R-E-L-I-E-V-E-D, relieved. R-E-L-I-E-V-E-D, relieved. What is this word, children? It is relieved. The little bird was relieved. The little bird was relieved. Okay. Look at the next word, sentence, children. T-H-E, the. P-I-N-E. What is this word, children? P-I-N-E. It is pine. Pine. It is a kind of tree. Pine tree. Pine. A-N-D. And T-H-E. The juniper. J-U. Ju-N-I-P-E-R. Per. Juniper. Juniper tree. What is this, children? Repeat next to me. It is juniper. Juniper tree. It's a kind of tree. Another tree, it is juniper tree. Okay. Next, T-R-E-E-S. Trees. What is the word, children? T-R-E-E-S. It is trees. Then J-O-I-N-E-D. J-O-I-N. What is this? Join. J-O-I-N. Join. E-D. Ed. Joined. The spruce. S-P-R-U-C-E. Spruce tree. It is also a kind of tree. So, how many trees we saw now? Pine tree, juniper tree, spruce tree. Spruce. S-P-R-U-C-E, spruce tree. T-O, two. H-E-L-P. What is this word, children? Help. What is this word, children? Help. Repeat next to me. It is help. H-E-L-P. Say the spelling for help. H-E-L-P. Help. Look at the next word. The, T-H-E, the. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. B-I-R-D, bird. Yes. Shall we read this conversation from the beginning, children? Yes. The little bird was relieved. The pine and the juniper tree joined the spruce tree to help the little bird. Yes. See the next conversation here by my branches, branches. Split this word, children. How can you split? Branches. Pronounce the word, children. Branches. Okay, so it is branches. My branches are not. My branches are ARERNOT, not. VERY. What is that word, children? VERY. It is very. VERY, very. THICK. What is that? Thick. THICK. It is thick. THICK. It is thick. Very thick. But. 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 I am. BIG. What is that? BIG. Big. Very good. It is big. Okay. And and STRONG. What is this word, children? It is strong. Pronounce this word, children. How to pronounce this word? Strong. Repeat next to me. Strong. Yes, good. Yes. Look at the next word. and. Can. Then next word. PROTECT. What is this? Protect. What is this word, children? Protect. YOU. FROM. From. NORTH. What is this? How can you split it, children? NOR, nor. TH, north. WIND. What is it? Wind. North wind. Okay. Children, shall we read this conversation? Yes, look at here. Look at here. My branches are not very thick. My branches are not very thick, but I am big and strong, and I can protect you from north wind. I can protect you from north wind. Yes. Now, let's move to the next conversation. See here. I can help. ICAN, can. HELP, help. Then TOO, to. YOU, CAN, can. EAT. What is this, children? EAT, eat. Then my. Next word. DELICIOUS. What is this? delicious, delicious. What is this word, children? Delicious. D-E-D-L-I-C-I-O-U-S. Delicious. How to pronounce this word, children? Delicious. Pronounce it along with me. Delicious. Delicious. Delicious means, what does mean by delicious? Tasty. Delicious means tasty. Okay. Look at the next word. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. What is this? Healthy. Healthy. What is this word, children? Hell. H-E-A-L. T-H-E-Y. Healthy. What is this word, children? Healthy. Next. So here it is delicious. Next word, healthy. Then B-E-R-R-I-E-S. What is this? Berries. B-E-R-R-I-E-S. Berries. 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 B-E-R-R. R-I-E-S. Rees. Berries. A-L-L. All. A-L-L. All. Then W-I-N-T-R. What is this, children? Split the word. W-I-N. Win. Yes, good. Win. T-R. Ter. Winter. Winter. L-O-N-G. Long. Yes. Shall we read this conversation, children? Yes. See here. Repeat along with me. I can help to you can eat my delicious healthy berries all winter long. So repeat next to me, children. I can help to you can eat my delicious healthy berries all winter long. Okay. So look at the response. Reply from the bird. Thank you, dear friends. What is the reply, children? Thank you. T-H-A-N-K. What is this? Thank. Thank. Y-O-U-U. Together it is thank you. Thank you. D-E-A-R. What is this, children? Dear. 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 D-E-A-R. Dear. Then F-R-I-E-N-D-S. You know this word already, I think, children. What is this word? Friends. Friends. You will also have friends, no? Yes. So what is the spelling for friends? We may have friends, but we must know the spelling for the word friends first. Okay. So learn the spelling for the friends here. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. So F-R-I-E-N-D-S. What is this word, children? It is friends. Okay. See here. Let's see the next conversation by the trees. See the other trees. Other trees means here, apart from this pine, juniper and spruce, these are the trees who helped the little baby bird here. But who didn't help the baby bird? Who they didn't refuse to help the baby bird? They are bridge tree, oak tree and willow tree. Bridge tree, oak tree and willow tree. So these trees are talking here. Let's see what they are talking here. T-H-E, the, O-T-H-E-R, other, T-O-T-H-E-R. What is this? O-T-H-E-R, other, other, other. T-R-E-E-S, trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. L-O-O-K-E-D. What is this L-O-O-K-E-D? L-O-O-K. Look. Look. E-D. Id. So together it is looked. We should pronounce it as looked. How to pronounce this word, children? The wrong pronunciation is looked. Don't pronounce as don't pronounce it as looked. It is looked. Pronounce the word correctly, children. It is looked. T sound. Looked, not looked. Looked is wrong pronunciation. The right pronunciation is looked. Looked. Okay. Looked on. O-N on. A-N-D and. T-A-L-K-E-D. What is it, children? Talked. Talked. Not talked. Yes, it is talked. Talked. Next. A-M-O-N-G-S-T. What is this word, children? Split the word a. What is this? Amongst. 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 Themselves. T-H-E-M. Them. S-E-L-V-E-S. Themselves. 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 Amongst themselves. Yes. Children, shall we read this conversation? Yes. The other trees looked on, talked amongst themselves. Let's read one more time, children. The other trees looked on and talked amongst themselves. Amongst themselves. Themselves. Amongst themselves. Okay. Now let's move to the next conversation. See here. What is this, children? We already learned in the previous classes also. This is the contraction. Short form of what? Short form of I will. It is I'll. I apostrophe LL. Apostrophe, this is comma. Okay. So here inside the apostrophe we have W and I. This is hiding inside. So it is I'll. How to pronounce this word, children? I'll. I'll. I will. The full form is I will, but the contraction is I'll. I apostrophe LL. How to pronounce this word, children? Repeat it again. I'll. Say along with me. I'll. 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 N-E-V-E-R. What is this? Never. 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 H-A-V-E. Have. H-A-V-E. Have. Then A-N-Y. What is this A-N-Y? Very good. Any. T-H-I-N-G. Thing. Together it is anything. 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 To. T-O. To. D-O. Do. Anything. To do. W-H. W-I-T-H. With. W-I-T-H. With. And very known and familiar word you would have already learned in the keywords also. What is this word, children? S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R-S. What is this? Strangers. Strangers. How you know? Rangers. Power Rangers. We have seen in the cartoons, no? Power Rangers. But here it is strangers. How to pronounce this word, children? Strangers. Rangers, strangers. So here it is strangers. S-T-R-A-N. Strain. G-E-R-S. Gers. Strangers. Strangers. Okay. Shall we read this conversation now, children? Yes. Look at the first word. I'll never have anything to do with strangers. I'll never have anything to do with strangers. Yes. Now let's move to the next conversation here. I. What is this word, children? W-O-U-L-D N apostrophe T. What is this? Wood. Wood. This is int. Int means it is not. Not. The full form is not and the short contraction is int. We have to pronounce it as int. So what is the word here? Wouldn't. W-O-U-L-D. Would. Sorry. Would. Would. N apostrophe T. Int. Wouldn't. What is this word, children? It is wouldn't. Wouldn't. G-I-V-E. What is the word G-I-V-E? Good. It is give. Give. M-Y. My. My. A-C-O-R-N-S. What is this? Acrons. Acron. Acron means it's a fruit of oak tree. It's a fruit of oak tree. Acrons. Acrons. A-W-A-Y. How to split this word, children? Way. Together it is away. 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 Then T-O. Two. Two. Again A-N-Y. Any. O-N-E. One. So any one. Together it is anyone. Together it is anyone. Okay. Children, shall we read this? I wouldn't give my acrons away to anyone. I wouldn't give my acrons away to anyone. Okay. So that's all, children. We have completed this conversation fully. Let's move on to the next one now. Children, shall we start right now? Yes. Take your handwriting note, all of you. Take your pencil or pen, whatever it is. Be ready. Let's write now. Children, shall we write? Yes. First you need to write date. 1/9/20. Okay. So today this day 6. Then chapter 1. R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing. Page number 5. Page number. Take your pencil. Look at me and follow the same pattern in your handwriting. T-H-E. D-L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. B-I-R-D. Bird. The little bird. W-A-S. Was. Was. R-E-L-I-E-V-E-D. Relieved. T-H-E. D-P-I-N-E. Pine. A-N-D. And THE, JU. Look at here, children, how I am writing JUNIPER. Juniper, TREES, trees, juniper trees, JOINED, joined, THE, spruce, 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 TREE, tree, TU, two, HELP, help, to help, THE, D, to help, thee, LITT, little, little bird. Then I'm going to start the next conversation. So I'm going to start from the middle. See how M I have written. Follow the same thing, children. MY, my. B. See how I am writing B. BRANCHES, branches. NOT, not. VERY, very. TICK, thick. Comma. BUT, but. I am BIG, big, and STRONG, 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 comma, AND, and, ICAN, can, P. See how I am writing P, children? protect, protect, Y-O-U, you, protect you, protect you from, F-R-O-M, from, N-O-R-T-H, north, W-I-N-D, wind, north wind. So children, today we wrote two conversation in our writing part. Write neatly with the same stroke. Practice it well. Definitely you can improve your writing. Children, as a conclusion, let's see the value again. That is, I believe that reading wildly is the best preparation for writing. So children, develop the habit of reading and writing. You can improve your reading and writing skills.